For today's mobility, all you need is a chair. We're going to focus on some upper body strength and stability. We're going to start with hinging at the leg, making sure butt is out of the chair. I have a slight bent of my elbows, and I'm going to switch legs. Now, this is great for triceps, your shoulders, and waking up those legs. We're going to drop into some dips. We're going to drop the hips down, almost like you're trying to scratch your back with the chair. You want to keep a 90-degree bend at the elbows, and we're going to go right back into leg extensions. Now, you want to try your best to keep your butt out of the chair the entire time. As a modifier, you can sit in your chair as you do the extensions for your legs to give your triceps a little bit of a rest. But the goal is to try to stay up the whole time, butt out of the chair. And drop back into the dips, down and press, down and press, down and press, down and press. Very good. One more time back into extensions. The goal is to get through these 3 rounds without sitting down in the chair at all. Your triceps should be screaming at this point. And we're going to switch sides. Very good. Work on that leg extension. Maintain a slight bend to the elbows. Make sure you don't lock out. This continues working the stability of your triceps. And we're going to go one more set of dips, pressing down. Now, if you want to make this a bit harder, you can keep your legs straight, but we're going to rest. We're going to go into seated lateral raises. Now, on this one, we're going to give you a little bit of a twist on this one. You're going to bring your pinkies in and squeeze your pinkies in like you're trying to hold a marble in your palms as we do our lateral raises. Now, if you're at home and you have water bottles or 2 to 3 pound dumbbells, you could use that as well. I wouldn't recommend going any heavier than 5. The goal is high rep, stability, strength in today's 5-minute video. Very nice. Keep those pinkies squeezed in like you're holding quarters in your palms. It's going to really stimulate those lateral delts. Mind-muscle connection is very important. Hold them up. We're going to do some partials. Very good. At this point, your shoulders should be pretty waking up at this point. Doing partial reps. Very good. Keep repping it out. And this is active rest, by the way. We're going to shake it out. And we're going to go back to that first movement for the triceps. We're going to start with some nice leg extensions. Now, keep a soft bend of the elbows. You don't want to be locked out. We're trying to get some tricep stability here as we work on our leg extensions. Switch to the other side. And again, the challenge is we're doing 3 rounds of keeping your butt completely out of the chair. Very good. And we're going to drop into a set of dips. Down and press. Stay at 90 degrees. You don't need to go down too deep. Just focusing on really engaging the back of those arms. And back into the leg extensions. Very good. Now we are doing 3 rounds, so try to hang in there. If your arms get smoked, you can rest your butt in the chair as you do the leg extension. Give your time for triceps to recover. Very good. Leg extension, drop down, another set of dips. Very good. We are halfway there, pressing through, down and up, down and up. Back into the leg extension. This last set of leg extension on this side. Really focusing on straightening out that leg as we're holding our butt out of the chair and extend to the other side. Very nice. And try your best not to lock out your arms. Keep a soft bend throughout. And drop back down for the last set of dips, pressing down and up, down and up, down and up, and rest. Shake it out. Very good. Back into the lateral raises. Now again, if you're at home and you want to grab water bottle, roughly about 1 pound in each hand, you can make it a little bit harder. No more than 5 pound dumbbells. For today, no weight at all is perfectly fine. You're keeping those pinkies squeezed in to really get that mind-muscle connection to the lateral raises. So I'm pretending I'm holding a pair of quarters with my pinkies squeezing into my palm as I do my lateral raises. You should feel a pretty good difference here. Very good. Keep going. This is our last set, guys. Very nice. Down and up, down and up, and partial reps to finish it out. Let's go. Very good. Try your best not to shrug. Keep the pressure on the shoulders. Doing our partial reps, down and up. Keep it going, In 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Good job, guys. That's all it for today. Excellent.